Hello friends, welcome to your channel. In the last video, that is counter app part 3, we have done till we were getting the document ID and we were storing the document ID in the counter model. This video is the continuation of the last video. I have given the link of the last video in the top right I button because in this app we are not implementing login. So to identify that the user has liked or disliked a particular copy, we will store the same in the shared preference as a boolean value. In the main activity on top, we will declare shared preference. Inside onCreate method, shared preference assign this dot get preferences, and in the parameter this dot mode private. We also require shared preference editor. Inside onCreate method, shared preference editor assign shared preference dot edit. Inside bind method from share preference, we will check if a particular copy is liked or not. If liked, we will display the like button, and if it is not liked, then we will display the not like button. Here share preference get boolean, the key is liked. We are creating two methods, on like click and on not like click. Inside on like click method, we are hiding the liked image view and displaying the not liked image view. Similarly, inside on not like click method, we are displaying the liked image view and hiding the not liked image view. Now from liked image view on click listener, calling the method on like click, and from not liked image view on click listener, calling the method on not like click. Inside bind method, if a particular copy is liked, we will call the method on not like click, and if not liked, we will call on like click method. When liked and not liked image views will be clicked, we also need to update the counter in the Firestore database. For that purpose, I have created another method update in Firestore with two parameters, counter model and boolean liked. Inside bind method share preference get boolean key would be model.get document ID because every document ID is unique. Inside update in Firestore method, if liked boolean variable value is true, we will store in share preference that a particular copy is liked. Key is document ID and value is true. If the boolean variable value liked is false, in the shared preference against the key document ID value would be false. While updating in shared preference, we need to use shared preference editor by calling shared preference editor.commit. On top, inside this method, we will declare a variable likes data type long, and the value we are getting model.getLikes. Inside if else block, if liked is true, we will increase the number of likes by 1, and if not, then we will decrease the number of likes by 1. Firebase Firestore, this variable need to be declared as a global variable, so we will move it to top. Inside update in Firestore method, first we need to create a map. Map key is string and value is object. In the map, key is a particular document field name and value that we want to update. Here key is the document field likes and value is number of likes. Then db.collection, collection name like counter, then document model.get document ID, and then set the first parameter is the map and second parameter set options dot merge. Counter model is available inside bind method, but now we need it inside the view holder constructor, so we will declare it on top inside the view holder class. Then inside the bind method counter model assign model. Inside the view holder constructor liked image view set on click listener, we will call update in Firestore method. First parameter is counter model and second parameter is false. When user click already liked image view, user is really disliking the copy. Similarly, in not liked image view on click listener, we are calling update in Firestore method. First parameter is the model and second parameter is true. We will continue the development in the next video. Thank you for watching. To keep watching my videos, please subscribe to the channel and like and comment in the video.